Come here, baby boy. No, the IS-3 wants to drive the harvester as well. And there's Sandbag. Yeah, he does not have the harvester driving license. He got Bloodlust 3 while trying to get me in Harvester. I'm Pallet, by the way. Please, please, Donald Trump. Please, right now, who's closest?
Donald Trump, if you can hear us, please, Donald Trump, please save me.
I need to go back to Harvester. Septic touch, that's interesting. I didn't hit the fucking single skill check on this hill, holy shit. That was so fucking close.
How the fuck?
I am the GOAT.